Hello Internet. Today I'm going to be unboxing these Halo figures I got at Walmart. What's surprising is they usually don't sell Mega Block sets at they usually sell them at like Target or just Target pretty much or online. But I found them at Walmart this time when we were going shopping, and yeah, I found these guys, and I'm going to be unboxing Spartan Mark V from Halo 1, and the reason why this is open is just because I had to make sure it was actually one of the guys I was looking for, so it was this guy, just to let you guys know. And this guy from Halo 5, Spartan Kenchurian, I think his name is. Anyway, we're going to be unboxing these guys, so so let's just open this guy. He's already open, but it's fine. Nice. Okay, let's open him up and let's see. Hold on. Oh yeah, I have to use my hands, sorry. It might look pretty new because you guys probably don't see my hands a lot, but, well, you probably do when I'm like doing looks. Sorry, you guys can hear talking. Parents are talking. Ah, there it goes. Nice. A lot of pressure. Oh, the other leg. He's kind of like a school bus yellow a little bit, but he's still pretty cool. The legs. Whoa. Okay. I don't need this right now, so. Ah, come on. Nice. Oh, let me show you. Now, he's like one of the Halo 3 Spartans, so he's pretty neat. Hold on. Okay. Now let's take a look at him. Weapon. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, this guy. Now, let's unbox the Chief, Master Chief. And I've been trying to get this guy for a while now, and I was surprised to find him. Really surprised. And let's open him. I'm trying not to damage the box, so I guess it doesn't matter, but yeah, it's messed up. There's no other way to open this. Okay. box. Oh, I could have just like done this, huh? Just open this. Yeah, whatever. It's fine. It doesn't matter. Don't want any problems. Let's open his weapon. Can you guys hear that? Super obnoxious. The Master Chief. Wow, I never thought I was gonna get this guy. Well, this kind of Master Chief. I may have like the red version of him. Not really the Master Chief though. It's just like capture the flag on Halo 1. Did I say Halo 3 earlier? Like when I was unboxing this guy, like when I was like pronouncing? I apologize if I did say Halo 3. I mean Halo 1. I greatly do apologize. Oof. Nice. I am so sorry if you guys can hear talking. I greatly do apologize. Here it is, the Master Chief. Behold.
Can I turn the radio on?
Sorry you guys can hear talking. He's just like jumping into action, this guy, the Chief. Now the last guy, let's open him up. Cheerian. Spartan Cheerian, I think his name is. Wait, I can open it from this side. That was so much more easier than earlier. Okay. It's like he's like a zombie. Whoa. Oh. I'm such a weirdo. these guys. So that's basically it. Here's unboxing video. I've fallen. I can't get up. I'm really excited I got these figures, honestly. They are really cool figures. Ouch. Now, you guys will probably see these in my mocks. And, yeah, pretty much. Okay, let's take a look at this real quick. The papers. Okay, this is like the most easiest guy you can find. Okay, that makes me kind of sad a little bit because I gotta win better. These are like sort of rarish. These are all like the green is all like you can most likely find these, including this marine. The yellow guys that mean that they're kind of rare a little bit. They're hard to find. This one means like it's super hard to find if you guys are getting new to like Halo blind bags. Oh, this guy failed. Now, just to let you guys know, when you get these figures, like brand new, they might be hard to use, so just put them in like boiling water pretty much. It helps them move much better. Maybe you guys already know that, maybe you don't. But, yeah. Ooh, that looks good like that. Look at that. This guy right here. Okay, let's take a look at this guy. Okay. Bunch of instructions right here. Bunch of stuff. These are all the figures you can get. I have this Jack already. And I have Emil. I just haven't shown him in my mocks. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. I don't know. I haven't watched all my videos. Maybe I haven't. I don't recall. But, yeah. Oh yeah, this is the only thing I have. So I actually have a bunch of these, so they're all different colors. So that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys have a good day or good night or good morning. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll be with you guys next time.